Hi, here at H. Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2020 Ford Puma 1 litre EcoBoost Hybrid. This is the 125 brake horsepower model. This car's finished in Agate black metallic paint. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, black grille, front fog lights, body coloured styling kit. This is the ST line model. Got the body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, ST line wing badges, body coloured door handles, 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, front near side alloy wheel. Inside the car you've got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery with the red stitching, and you've got the checked pattern centre panels. ST line threshold plate, rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. Isofix fixing point for the baby seat, electric rear window openings, near side rear alloy wheel. Moving around to the rear of the car you've got the rear parking sensors, so into the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat, removable shelf to increase the boot capacity, so moving round onto the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. Inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment, automatic headlamps, centre armrest with internal storage box. Inside the storage box is a USB plug-in point, twin cup holders with the blue ambient lighting. On the centre console you've got the controls for the eco mode. You can turn off the traction control system, and you've also got the stop start deactivation switch. So this car's done 17,240 miles. Controls on the steering wheel for answering and rejecting calls. You've also got voice control if your phone's compatible. And then on the other side of the steering wheel the controls for the cruise control and speed limiter. On the end of the indicator stalk you've got the lane departure mode control, 5-speed gearbox, another USB and 12-volt plug-in for accessories. You've got wireless connection for the charging, climate control. Then you've got the 8-inch touchscreen media system, so you've got full screen navigation. On the audio side you've got the AM, FM and DAB radio stations. You've got Bluetooth connectivity, so as you can play music from an external device, and that connects your hands-free phone operation. Back outside the car again, so the identification plate tells it's the Ford Puma ST line 1 litre EcoBoost MHEV, and it's the 125 PS and it's a Euro 6 engine. Forward to the driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Look forward to your inquiry. Bye.